Do you love their food as much as I do? Hi! Welcome to Good Doctor. I'm Shani, your friendly pharmacist. For today's video, let's find facts and interesting things about India that you might not know about. Let's not hate, let me educate. First on the list is, did you know that cows are sacred in India? They believe that each cow contains 330 million gods and goddesses which fulfill all desires, and its horns represents the four objectives of life. Second is, did you know that Taj Mahal is not a palace? Taj Mahal is actually a tomb in honor of his late wife, Mumtaz Mahal, and is one of the 7 wonders of the world. Chena Bridge, which is the highest rail bridge in the world, is also found in India. India was also the first country to mine diamonds. It was the source of diamonds in the world from 4th century BC for around 1,000 years. India is also the second largest English-speaking country in the world. Also, around 70% of the world's spices comes from India. India is by far the largest producer of spices, which are shipped across the continents to restaurants and kitchens worldwide. Some of the best-known spices are turmeric, cumin, saffron, and chili powders. It has a village with no locks and doors. Maybe the safest place on earth. The village of Shanishingnapur is famous for not having a door or lock on a single house. And beyond that, there has not been a recording of a criminal act for almost 400 years. They are also the pioneers. Well, as one of the oldest civilizations in the world, Indians gave the world a lot of important inventions and discoveries. India is not only known for these facts, but also, did you know that? India is a significant player in the global pharmaceutical industry. It is often referred to as the pharmacy of the world due to its extensive production and export of generic medicines. The Indian pharmaceutical sector has grown significantly over the years and has a strong presence both domestically and internationally. The availability of affordable generic medicines from India has significantly contributed to improving healthcare access, both within the country and other parts of the world. The biotechnology sector is also growing in India with a focus on developing biopharmaceuticals, biosimilars, and other advanced therapies. India is known to be the pharmacy of the world for some reasons. First, it has a vast and well-established pharmaceutical manufacturing infrastructure, including numerous FDA-approved facilities. This extensive capacity allows for a large-scale production of a wide range of pharmaceuticals. Generic medicines are as effective as branded medicines. The only difference is the cost, the name, and the marketing. Ultimately, the choice between generic and branded medicines often depends on an individual's preferences, healthcare providers' recommendations, and cost considerations. India's regulatory authority, the Central Drugs Standards Control Organization, or the CDSCO, enforces strict quality and safety standards for pharmaceuticals. This ensures that Indian pharmaceutical products meet international quality benchmarks. Therefore, products that is produced by Indian pharmaceutical companies that have undergone extensive safety standards are not just affordable, but it is significantly safe, reliable, and effective for consumers. One misconception is that India primarily produces generic drugs and lacks innovation. Well, in fact, India has a large pool of highly skilled scientists, researchers, and pharmaceutical professionals which support drug development, manufacturing, and quality control. India exports pharmaceutical products to numerous countries around the world, including developed nations such as United States and Europe and other countries. Some may believe that Indian pharmaceutical companies cannot provide a reliable and consistent supply of medicine, but still, India also has demonstrated its ability to respond to global health crises such as the production of vaccines during the COVID-19 pandemic. This showcases its capability to meet the urgent healthcare needs. Another misconception is that Indian pharmaceuticals are of lower quality compared to those from Western countries. In reality, India has a powerful regulatory framework, and many Indian pharmaceutical companies adhere to restrictive international quality standards. The quality of Indian medicines is regularly inspected and monitored by regulatory authorities. For future considerations, Indian pharmaceutical companies will contribute to improving healthcare access by supplying affordable medicines to low and middle income countries. India has been increasing its focus on pharmaceutical research and development to develop new drugs, formulations, and technology. Each country has its strengths and specialization areas within the pharmaceutical field, and the Pharmacy of the World title for India reflects its vital role in providing affordable generic medicines to a broad global population and has a significant impact on global healthcare access. But Indian pharmaceutical companies will need to remain adaptable, innovative, and globally competitive to thrive in this dynamic landscape. So let me end this video with a quote from the famous Mahatma Gandhi: "It is the health that is really wealth, not the pieces of gold and silver." If you learned through this video, please like, share, and hit the notification button for more updated videos. See you next time!